Hello my fellow traders, it's your boy right here. My name is Peter Akabu, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to start a forex trading in 2024. If you're a beginner, this video is for you because I'm going to be giving you a guideline, a step-by-step process in which if you follow with deliberate, if you discipline yourself and follow these things I'm going to be talking about, you're going to come out successful and your journey is going to be shorter. I promise you that I've been there and I know a shorter way in which you can achieve your goals. So the first thing first on how to start a forex trading, number one is to educate yourself. Start by understanding the basics of forex trading, such as what is currency pairs, the factors influencing exchange rates, resources like online courses, financial websites that can be helpful, financial websites like the news site. You start first by learning the basics. You can go to babypips.com to actually start learning the basics if you don't have any money to buy any course yet. So go to Baby Pips. I will display it on my screen so that you can see the website and go to the website and help yourself and start reading. They will teach you a step-by-step on how to actually trade. Okay, so first of all, educate yourself about forex trading, what it's all about, the resources you need. The number two thing you have to do if you want to start forex trading is to choose a reliable broker. You have to research about brokers because brokers are like a financial platforms. They are like a middleman between the forex market and you. Okay, see the forex market here, see you here. They are like the connector, then they are the middle. So they connect you when you place your trade. They connect your trades to the real forex market. They give you access to the forex market. So we have a lot of brokers out there, and brokers can guarantee whether you'll be successful or you will not be successful. So choosing a reliable broker is actually a thing. You have to actually choose a reliable broker, and to choose a reliable broker, check out those mentors, those your forex mentors that you're following. Look at what broker they are using because they know better than you. Don't just go and choose any broker. Choose a reliable broker. The broker that I personally use is XNext. That's the broker I use, and I would advise you to use because XNext has already been here for many years and will still be here. They are very reliable. So there's a link below if you want to register. Click on the link and register for your own broker account. The number three thing you have to do is create a trading plan. Clearly define your financial objective. You have to create your short-term goal and also write your long-term goal. You have to write a very strict trading plan because trading plan guarantees your success in this forex trading. My first year of trading, I was not journaling my trade and it affected me a lot. It was in my second year of trading that I started making money because I had to follow my trading plan deliberately, intentionally to follow my trading plan, and it made me profitable. Let's say for instance, every day if I take 3 trades, that's it. There's nothing that can make me to take any other trade. So follow your trading plan. Create a very detailed trading plan and stick to it. The number 4 thing you have to know before starting forex trading is start with demo trading. Demo trading is like trading a virtual money, trading a fake money. Like when you download MetaTrader or MetaTrader 5, they will offer you a fake money, a virtual money, depending on how much you can decide to set your account to $100, $500, $1,000, $100,000, $1 million. It all depends on how you want to set it. I advise you to set $50, $100, $500 because you're a beginner. You obviously don't have $10,000 to create a $10,000 demo account and be using it to trade. You are deceiving yourself. Start with demo account. This will help you to understand the trading platform, test your strategy, and gain confidence with risking real capital. When you're trading with demo, you gain real confidence trading real capital. Fifth thing you have to do is to understand risk management. You have to actually sit down and ask yourself, how much am I willing to risk in each trade? And also when you place your trade, there's what we call take profit and there's what we call sell loss, that's stop loss. Like this stop loss order and take profit order helps you to maximize your profit and also maximize your loss. So it will make you to lose small and also make you to take more profit. Okay, so always place your stop loss whenever you place any trade. It's compulsory because it helps you to regulate and keep you in check, because we are human beings. Sometimes we can go off emotionally. You can be thinking, oh, this trade is going to, you will be losing money and you not put your stop loss, and when the thing exceeds the particular loss you are meant to lose in the trade, you are still hoping that it will come back. But when you place a stop loss, it will help you to actually stop out those trades so that you won't lose more money. So number 16 you have to do is to stay informed. Follow economic calendars and news related to currencies you're trading. Understand how economic indicators, market analysis from reputable sources can provide you valuable insight. Channels like this I want to start dropping bi-weekly analysis, because I'm a swing trader. I want to start dropping bi-weekly analysis on different pairs that I'm trading, so that people will actually trade. So take all these platforms like FOREX Factory, my FSBO, and also traders, top forex trader like Dapo Willis. Follow these traders because they will help you to give you insight of what might happen, what is going to happen in the forex industry. You understand? So follow these people to gain knowledge, be informed, stay informed. Okay, so that's number 6. So number 7, keep your emotions in check. Emotional decision can lead to impulsive actions. Stick to your predefined trading plan. Keep emotions in check. In trading, don't trade with emotions. Keep emotions aside. Your heart should be a stone heart. The thing that is going to guide you, even someone that has 5 years, 10 years experience, still trade with plan, because no matter what you think, we human beings, we are emotional. So keep emotion out of it. Keep emotion in check. Trading plan will help you to actually achieve this goal. So follow your trading plan strictly. Start small and gradually increase. Begin with small amount of capital, especially if you're a beginner. As you gain experience and confidence in your trading strategy, you can consider increasing your trading size. A gradual approach that helps manage risk. Start small and gradually increase. You don't want to deposit all your money inside the broker and start trading. This is not a good decision. You're a beginner in this forex trading. I don't want to put all your capital. Once you put your capital, this is real market. And you know, let me tell you one thing. As a beginner, your first deposit, you always lose money. You always lose that your capital. No matter what, you always lose it. 70 to 100% of people lose their account. Diversify your portfolio. Rather than focusing on a single currency pair, consider diversifying your trade across different pairs. This can help you spread risk and reduce the impact of adverse movement in a particular currency. Yes, you have to diversify. Number 9 is to diversify your portfolio. If you're trading one currency pair, try and be looking out to 3, 4, or 5, because this will help you to see a lot of opportunities in the market instead of you to be waiting for one currency pair, for one opportunity. If instead of you to be waiting for weeks or months to trade one currency pair, you should diversify your horizon. Look at more currency pairs. Number 10, the last one, is continuous learning. The forex market is dynamic and influenced by global event and economic development. Stay updated through continuous learning, whether it's reading about market analysis or attending webinars or attending trading communities. It's crucial for your knowledge and for your success in forex trading. Remember that for you to be successful in forex trading, you have to stick to your education, to your discipline, and your adaptability. These 3 things will help you to actually achieve your goals in 2024. You know, this year I'm out. We are going to kill it. If this is the first time you're watching my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Catch you on my next video. Peace out.